honestly, we put the Fighting Rooster in the Patriotism right here, and maybe it just goes to the people's donation. Yeah, that'll be fine. The only thing I'm worried about is those two. I don't know, that'll be fine. I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
We gotta take a picture of this. I'm gonna grab the camera.
Let me get my phone. Oh yeah, it's really easy. It's like not even like a glove. We got tons of space.
Yeah, we should get more. We have time. Buy one get two free at Phantom. 250 when I split. And all three split it.
You know what's funny?
What?
I'll tell you this.
I'll take a picture of that.
Post it on the story.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's take a little second documentary. Alright, we're back with Hayden and Alan. And bad news, it all fit in the car. That means we gotta shoot it all off. Yeah, we could have fit all that stuff in there. It stuffed in here like a glove, but actually there's a lot more space than I thought there would be.
Yeah, we got a lot of room.
So